Hola chicos, soy Señora Myers, and within the next 4 minutes, I'm going to teach you how to greet someone in Spanish. Vámonos! The most common greeting in Spanish is hola. Hola. You can say hola to any person at any time of the day.
Hola.
In the morning, you can say Buenos días. Buenos días. You can always combine greetings like this. Hola. Buenos días. Hola, buenos días.
Buenos días. Gracias.
De nada. In the afternoon, you can say Buenas tardes. Hola, buenas tardes.
Hola.
Buenas tardes. After sunset, you can greet someone by saying Buenas noches. Buenas noches.
Cuídate.
Tú también. Buenas noches. After the initial greeting, it is common to say Cómo estás to ask someone how they're doing. For formal situations, you can say ¿Cómo está usted? Or just ¿Cómo está? Here are some different ways that you can answer when someone says ¿Cómo estás? Estoy means I am, but it's optional when you answer how you're doing. So you can put estoy in front of these adjectives or use them on their own. Bien, muy bien, todo bien, más o menos, mal, malito, Enfermo, Contento. After someone asks you how you're doing, it is both common and polite to ask them as well. In informal situations, like with a friend or someone your own age, you can say ¿Y tú? With a formal conversation, you say ¿Y usted? To respond, you can use any of the above phrases or expressions, or if you feel the same as someone, you can say yo también. Yo también means me too.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Estoy bien. ¿Y usted cómo está?
Estoy cansado.
Yo también estoy un poco cansada. Pues hasta luego.
Adiós.
To learn how to say goodbye and finish the rest of the conversation, click on the next video. And thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Adiós. Hasta la próxima.